Alright, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you're new, hey girl, what's up? What's good? What's poppin'? If you're not new to my channel, then you already know that I cut my hair off. Like, I'm bald underneath this. So yeah, my hair is starting to grow back and I don't really like the length that it is to be wearing it all the time, so I needed a new wig. So I went and I got me a new wig, and when I got the new wig, Arrogant Tay's method started trending. So I was like, oh, perfect timing. Everybody on YouTube was doing his methods. A lot of people took his class and came to YouTube and was giving it out for free, girl. So, you know, I had to jump on it. So I was watching his videos. I took a few lessons, I took a few tips on the way he does his wig. So I just took some tips and applied it to what I already know, and I came up with this. So yeah, it's giving Flatiana, Scalpiana, Audianas, yeah, Straightiana, yeah. And I really wanted to do my jet black, but I just decided to go with this. The black is actually really nice. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it's not even that brown, dirty looking color. Like, I actually like this black. So yeah. So yeah, no baby hairs, by the way. As you can see, this is just straight lace, and I just hot combed it straight back. So yeah. Enough talking. I don't think there's really anything else that I need to say in this intro. So let's go ahead and get into the video.
Well, alright then, can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching, inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with this real silicone and real black.
Alright, so y'all back for part 2. Yeah, so now I'm just putting my makeup on the cap. I did the ball cap method. I used Got To Be spray to glue it down. But yeah, I'm putting the makeup on so that I can match or be closer to my skin color. I'm also going to put some makeup on the lace. But yeah, y'all, it's 3:43 now. I already uploaded part 1 to YouTube, and I'm just waiting to finish editing. I'm going to add this voice note to the video and post it. So yes, you guys are watching this because I was productive today. So yeah, I'm just putting the makeup really on the hairline and on the part, because that's the parts that's gonna show. Okay. Scalpiana. Giving the girls Scalpiana. Okay. Well, you think my hairline's all back there, but it's really supposed to be here. Okay. Alright, hold on. Let's make sure it's like fit now. And there we go. Okay. Why is it short like that? Am I bugging? This shit. Alright, so I'm gonna have to cut that off. Alright, so you know how usually waves will come and it'll be like pass your air? Like, this is not passing my air. It's way too small. And I know I wanted a 13x6. They told me they don't have it. What you mean, the 13x4 don't fit neither? Like, come on now. But yeah, y'all. So yeah, I'm just trying to get the cap to fit my head as best as possible. Fitting it in, making sure it's in the middle, is covering what it's supposed to cover, all that good stuff. But unfortunately, it was a little smaller than expected. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I adjusted it, or adjusted my cap so that it could fit the wig, right? So let's zoom in so you can get the up close. So right here, I'm cutting off the ball cap. I'm just gonna wet it a little bit, but I'm cutting off the excess ball cap because that's gonna be over the lace, but under it, like, you understand what I'm saying? It's gonna come from under it. You're gonna be able to see it. So I was like, ew, cut that off. Like, that's dirty. Who wants that? Like, why would y'all not put the extra? Like, I know there's a lace shortage and everything, but like, really? Whose head is this fitting? Anyways, that's besides the point, child. It ain't besides the point. That's the exact point. Anyways, I'm using these scissors I got from Walmart because I couldn't find my hair scissors. Mind your business. So yeah, I got the wig to fit. So now I'm just gonna cut the lace into 3 little sections, middle and the side, the right side, the left side. Okay, and now I'm gonna glue down the bald cap. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the cap just to make sure that it's secure and it's like flat too, so that extra, like, you know, the Got2b spray, I didn't cut close enough to where it's just clear, like you can still see. Y'all know what I'm talking about when y'all doing your hair. So you just put a little bit of glue to get that, the edges that you cut, to lay down. Now I'm going to put more glue once that is fully and completely dry. I'm going to take the glue and put it on my head a little bit thicker. So I'm going to do it about a 1/2 inch on the cap and about a 1/2 inch off the cap to make it that full inch, right? So that you can have security with your wig. Okay, so now I'm going to wait for that to dry clear. And I'm making sure again that the cap is laying down so you can't see it through the lace. So yeah, I did that about 3 times. I did about 3 layers of glue, making sure that the glue is dry and clear each time. And now I'm laying it with my comb and just using my comb to press it into the glue. You understand? All right, cool. Glad we're on the same page. All right. So then after this, I'm going to be, look at me running my mouth on the phone with Tanaya. So yeah, I'm getting my middle part together, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the sides, for the side tabs, to glue them down. Oh yeah, use a little bit of heat to get that extra melt, that extra melted look. Y'all hear my neighbors making noise upstairs? No? Yeah? Alright, so I'm just using the concealer to mark my face so I could see where the hairline of the wig was, just so I can make sure that, you know, like the placement of the glue, so I'm not putting the glue over where the lace is gonna end, or the hairline is gonna end rather. But yeah, so I just use the concealer to do a little bit of markings, or to, like, you know, yeah, mark where I want to put the glue. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to do 3 times, drying each layer clear and laying down the lace and using my comb to press it in. It's going to be the same steps that I used for the centerpiece. I want you around, around. What kind of rails I'm gonna do today. I gotta get pictures done though. Running my mouth. There go my scissors. Talking about I couldn't find it, but you lied. See, this is my problem. This was recorded March 28th. Today's November 15th. Alright, so here I'm just gonna put an elastic band over my over the lace to get it to melt, and I'm gonna use a blow dryer just to add a little bit of heat to help it melt into the skin or into the scalp, whatever, just to make it look as real as possible because it's still lace. So yeah, I'm just positioning the elastic band around my hairline because this is now my hairline. Alright, so I'm just going to use this razor to cut off the rest of the lace that's not glued down, following the hairline or whatever is glued down. So just using that razor in a zigzag motion to cut the rest of that off. Again, with the extra melting of melting that glue into the lace, or that leaf into the glue, whichever way it works. And I'm using the tail of the comb to press down the front of that lace. Yeah, you also want to make sure you do this part because that helps with the more realistic look. Because once that front line or that front part of that lace, once that starts coming up, it's over. So yeah, now I'm going to use my hot comb again. I'm basically just forming it to the style that I want it because I already flattened it. So yeah, this is me showing Tanaya the spray that I use. I use at the end. I'm going to show you guys at the end. But yeah, I use it. I didn't need to, but I bought it, so I used it. But yeah, you just use it to, like, you know, if you over bleach the knots or whatever like that, or for like a straight part, you put the rat tail in between the part and then you spray it. It's cool. But yeah, now I'm using my wax stick again, making sure that I'm saying again because if you haven't, go ahead and watch part 1. But yeah, I'm using my wax stick to help all the flyaways stay down. And yeah, my hot comb is running it through my hair because she's just about done. And yeah, in part 1, I also talked about how I use too much oil in my hair. So that's why it's like a little, you could tell it's like a little oily. But it's alright, it was still cute. But yeah, by the next day, I think like once I curled it again, like once I curled it, you couldn't really tell it had too much oil. It's probably because it was straight, and I kept pressing it and flat ironing it like a maniac. So yeah, now I was about to clean my part, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and take the spray and show you guys how to clean it up a little bit. So it helps give that straight, clean part illusion, like even if it's not. So yeah, look at me, I was getting too happy and now I got black spray on my lace, but it's alright because we're gonna go back in with that concealer and clean it up, period. Yes, bitch. Right, got to be spray. Brush that in. You ain't have to spray it again, girl. You put a lot of on that wig. But okay, I'm gonna give you a pass. This is me about to put baby hairs in my hair, but I really didn't. But y'all can watch me attempt. Yeah. I don't know, I just thought it was too fresh and too clean for me to even try and put baby hairs in it. And I literally only wore it like this for like a day. I think the next day I curled my hair and put baby hairs in it. It was either the next day or next 2 days. But yeah, y'all. So I'm getting ready to do my little intro and outro to this video. But I'm not ready yet. But yeah, this is just me getting ready to do that. In a minute, it's about to be me talking. So the voiceover to this video is done. I'm gonna let y'all listen to a little bit of music and watch me get ready to talk to y'all from March 28th. This is a message from Mommy Kera. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Bye.
And wanna be the one on my team. Tell me what you see, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
It's like, why do I keep sleeping on myself? Like, I be forgetting I'm so... But no, I'm gonna give y'all the close-up real quick. It's just giving, this is my hair. Who said it wasn't? Who's telling me what? Okay. I decided to leave it straight. I was going to curl it or crimp it and like jazz it up a little bit, but I like it straight, so before I do that, I'm gonna just wear it straight for a few days. If I decide to curl it or crimp it or anything like that before I upload this video, I'll just take some pictures and videos and put it in the video. Alright, y'all, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. I hope y'all took a few lessons. I keep saying that. I hope you guys took a few tips from the video and enjoyed me installing this wig and getting myself together, because I was looking busted and crusted and disgusted. Okay, so yeah, you know what we giving already. You already know what it's giving. Rapunzel. Okay, it's giving Pocahontas. That's what it's really giving. Yeah. It's giving Pocahontas.
Take notes. Y'all gonna save this video for when you install your wig. Yeah.
Clearly I'm feeling myself, but it is 11:10 at night. I'm chatting. But anyways, if you like the vibes and the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with a friend, share it with a sis, you know, share it in the group chat. Let them know you found a lit video to show y'all how to do a wig. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. I'm checking out. Tell you that, won't you?